so long since I did one of these that I had to show you my new Made by Mitchell bundles. I got the Boxing the Year Off and Newness. But let me unbox those both for you now. Disclaimer, I have already done this on TikTok, but I'll show you what I got anyway. Starting with the Boxing the Year Off, we've got 3 sponges, which is perfect for me because I threw mine away because it was so grim. We've got the blush pressed in When I'm Gone. Let me show you the colour now because it's beautiful. How beautiful is that? That is such a nice colour. I Yay! I own so much Drip Drip. This is my 3rd one, but it's so pretty. Who can complain? Look at that shine. We got my absolute fave lip liner in I Love Gossip. Let me show you. How nice is that? We also got the cutest little brush. If I can open it. Oh, it's already open. Now, I've not tried the brushes before, but I've started getting them in mystery bags and they're so soft. Honestly, they're lovely. So I'm excited to have another brush in the collection. And then finally for this bag, I think this is the last thing for this bag, we've got little liquid lipstick, Life in Plastic, which is obviously the best Barbie looking colour. Oh, they're so nice. Right, now we're on to the Newness Bundle. So we got 6 new full-size products, starting with a little lip oil. This is Pushing Peas. Let me just try this on the lips because my lips are so dry. That is beautiful. Not too pigmented, which is good because I hate when there's like too much colour in a lip oil. But it feels very hydrating. We got another liquid lipstick. This is Bear With Me. Beautiful. I love the formula of these lipsticks because they don't feel drying like a lot of liquid lipsticks do. We got, it's my favourite thing, a mini colour case. Let you guys read the colours there. Look, it matches my top, it matches my walls. Perfect colour for me. We also got, oh, this is a double-ended thing. We got liquid blusher and lip gloss. So the blusher is Creamy Bellini. Ooh, it's a funny wand. That is, look at the shine on that. I love that, yes. Yes. Lip gloss is Natural Nights. Cassie's not happy about this. Hey, I'm just coming. Lovely. Such a nice shine to these. These go straight in my handbag. Yes. Oh, massive brush. I didn't realise this was going to be so big until I took it out. Oh, look at the size of it. It's massive. But it's so soft. And then I was so happy about this. I got a Shine Slime in Amber Sunshine, which is perfect because obviously I'm amber. Okay, I didn't realise it would open like that. Let's put some. Okay, I put too much on. Look at that. Oh, that smells nice. This will be perfect for summer when I do actually put on fake tan sometimes. So this one will give me a nice glow. So I do have both of these linked on my TikTok showcase. This one is £16 for all the items. This one's 30. But yeah, 10 out of 10. Recommend.